46.
46.
46.
In der Diskothek.
In the discotheque.
In the discotheque.
Ist dieser Platz hier frei?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Darf ich mich zu Ihnen setzen?
May I sit with you?
May I sit with you?
Gern.
Sure.
Sure.
Wie finden Sie die Musik?
How do you like the music?
How do you like the music?
Ein bisschen zu laut.
A little too loud.
A little too loud.
Aber die Band spielt ganz gut.
But the band plays very well.
But the band plays very well.
Sind Sie öfter hier?
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Nein, das ist das erste Mal.
No, this is the first time.
No, this is the first time.
Ich war noch nie hier.
I've never been here before.
I've never been here before.
Tanzen Sie?
Would you like to dance?
Would you like to dance?
Später vielleicht.
Maybe later.
Maybe later.
Ich kann nicht so gut tanzen.
I can't dance very well.
I can't dance very well.
Das ist ganz einfach.
It's very easy.
It's very easy.
Ich zeige es Ihnen.
I'll show you.
I'll show you.
Nein, lieber ein anderes Mal.
No, maybe some other time.
No, maybe some other time.
Warten Sie auf jemand?
Are you waiting for someone?
Are you waiting for someone?
Ja, auf meinen Freund.
Yes, for my boyfriend.
Yes, for my boyfriend.
Da hinten kommt er ja.
There he is.
There he is.